Hello guys, welcome back to Addicted Gaming. I am Dhanush and
I'm Kaushik. Today we're gonna do the is bee or Piper better challenge.
yeah, B versus Piper, who is best? So we are going to give honest reviews like whom do we like, B or Piper? So we'll play some matches and show you and say what are the best tactics for B on Piper. Two pink Pipers, I think Kaushik, I'll take B or you take.
I will take bee.
Okay. So first match I'll take Piper and Kaushik will take B. And second match I'll take B and Kaushik will take Piper. So, Will or Wisp, it's a new map. Let's see. So, the main things which I have to know about Bee and Piper is Piper, more longer you are, the more shot it does. It's more damage it does. Now, if you stay just in front of a box, it does only 688. Now, if you just go backside and aim our shot, it will take more than 2000. See, 2090. And B, what B does is first shot she'll take less damage and second shot will be more. So that's the only. So what happens is even if anyone comes near also she can her second shot will hit more harder than his B actually no
First shot.
yes M's took me down badly. That El Primo I'm gonna take him. The two M's surrounded me. Oh my god, so many M's came today. See, the first shot takes less damage than the second one. You have
Yes. 3,300. Oh no. Please
you go.
run away.
I died. Power
Okay,
levels.
I will take Piper this time.
Yeah. I'm good at B, not at Piper. I hate Piper
You
actually.
are a bad Piper.
Even
Guys, have you seen the new Piper animation? It's
yeah.
really cool.
Even
She
they are
baked her bomb. She baked her bombs.
yeah. So come let's play. Kaushik, you take blue Piper. I hate pink Piper. I think
Why?
that I wasted money by buying pink Piper.
At least skin repulse.
Who said? See, while boxes will take only some less damage, only 1000. So I have to do 6 shots to open a box. So the second shot with B is gonna kill people. Boom, headshot. Kaushik, you have to aim. There's a crow that banged me on
I'm
my face.
aiming.
The crow, if you
I'm
would,
aiming.
that crow banged my face. Arey, why you bought that guy to us?
You were the one who bought it, no?
Wait, is Tara gone? Tara gone. Oh shit, Kaushik. You leave, you don't take power cube. Wait for me. Hey man.
Oh,
Oh, see?
yeah.
It escaped badly. But it gone to a wrong zone. That a mental shit. It has 8 power cubes. Don't mess with it. They're pushing us down. That Tara and Jackie are banging. Oh no, just auto aiming. That Zodiac. Oh, Kaushik, wrong choice you have done, I think. I have took 1000 damage. You died.
Oh
You
no. At least I
died.
have my super.
I went to the
Don't
wrong place. If I would be Piper that time, I would use my super at the
No.
correct time. This map is wrong for them both, I think. Let's see Bounty. Yeah, Bounty. Bounty is not there. From
We don't have a bounty. We don't have a bounty.
so, what I suggest to you all that in B or Piper, if you are a long range brawler, you have to take Piper, of course. But because B has to take second shot will does more damage than the first one. So if somebody is near you also, B's second shot will do more damage. But Piper, She does 600, 500. So I recommend you to take B. Kaushik, what do you recommend?
If you're playing snipers, then if you play in showdown, then you should take Piper if you are a good sniper. But if you are playing normal matches, you should take B because if Piper gets her power cube, she can obliterate anyone. And if you take B, she can also do as much damage but close range. So I would recommend Piper, and otherwise I will recommend B.
Okay, so last match I'm gonna play with B and Pepper. Then we'll do some brawl ball action because I got Thames and she's totally good. You take down once. It take the cube which is down. Okay, you're gonna die.
That's what.
That Nita is waiting to die. Oh, that.
Come on, hit him!
I killed him. I killed him.
Second shot.
First shot only. First shot I aimed at them. Oh,
Oh, I did that.
145 health loss left for that. Don't come near the long ranges. Go, go, power. Arey, do you know one thing? That Brock looks like Power Ranger.
Yeah.
I hit my first shot. Let's slow down some people.
Wasted the second shot.
Should I use my super at this time? Do. I killed that Hams 2 shot.
Oh! Oh!
Who is that? Killing my friend, huh? Pental. That Brock came again.
Piper is really. Oh no! That Max just. died.
Wait, let's surround this. I killed it.
Oh.
No, that.
Oh, good
We
shot.
both are having our supers. Anybody will come near us?
That's it. That's it.
They're gone. Mama ji.
Piper super.
Do. Oh, that Piper has 12 power cube. Oh, do.
I hit her.
Kaushik, you stay there. Don't do any chalak things.
Ah!
Showdown. We have come to showdown. I'll come in a minute. You don't die. You don't.
And if you hear me, what shall I do?
You had to use your super. You wasted your super there. But nothing happened. Second position.
And Max would have killed me.
Yeah.
What's that?
So let's do some brawl ball action. Kaushik, I think you have to take Poco. You have the gadget, right? Or else wait, you take
No, I
some.
don't have Poco's gadget. I don't have Poco's gadget.
I have Poco's gadget. You take.
You take Poco, I'll take Gunfu.
You don't have any brawler level 10, huh? You take
Yeah, I have
Dynamic.
some. I have a Nita.
Hey, don't know.
I have a Nita.
Arey, 20 power level. My power level is 1 only. Hers is 10. Totally opposite here. You take Barley or Dynamite.
Dynamite.
Yeah. I think my brother is battling. Let's wait for him. Still then, let's talk something. Chinchu, my brother. Chinchu. Do you want to play some brawl ball?
Yeah.
Come out, exit. Die there only. You lost trophies with Barley.
Guys, have you ever gotten an agency?
Huh? Hello, Kaushik.
Only Barley. Hello.
Take Dynamite, not Barley. I hate Barley. No, I like Barley.
Has anyone got a Nani?
No. My brother got BB. I got mad so badly and I opened all my 12 boxes. And what I got is money. I got only money. No brawler. I'm gonna invite my brother. We are still clicking do a showdown brawl ball. I'm gonna invite my brother. Where are you, my brother?
Oh, I'm playing.
Inviting you. Come, accept it.
Yes. Someone take a brawler who can tank shots.
Tank shots means.
Someone like Daryl.
Okay, brother. My brother don't have Daryl actually. So okay, guys. So my brother is Nita. I'm Ems and Kaushik is Bali. No, Dynamite.
I'll be one.
No. Kaushik. Chintu B is Nita. Vishik B Nita. B Nita. Hello Kaushik. Are you there?
Yeah.
Now click ready.
Yeah.
Do you know one thing, guys? If you recently got Max and your sibling, anybody has Nita, play Max and Nita. Any map, not close, which has so many bushes. Any map with less bushes, I'll pakka guarantee you'll get 10 wins continuously. I got the streak. Oh, this map is so different. Kaushik Super can break them all. They don't have any breaker. No. This map is not good for Ems. I had to take bow. Oh shit. This map I didn't see, I just took it. Oh no.
Come on. I'm gonna see that.
I had to take bow.
Maybe even
Chintu, sound, don't keep sound. I wasted the jeans.
Jeez! No, jeez!
Remove the sound, Vishek. Vishek, don't keep sound.
My bear will take care of everything.
Oh no, this match is gone. You had nice players actually.
I'm so overpowered. Osmosis.
I don't know now. I'm going to.
Did someone here follow me?
Watch out!
Your Ems is level 20.
Day and night, we're strong as the mountains. I fight for my
Anyone has
ancestors.
most gadget, it's really nice.
Did someone here follow
No.
me?
What does Ghost Gadget do actually?
It charges your super.
Watch out!
Huh? It has only 1000 health. It has only 1000 health.
It charges your super.
I am guided by the spirits.
You have Sprout Light. After wasting 4 shots, only 1 shot hit other. Oh, the Nani is coming.
The spirits are calling my name.
You throw the ball somewhere.
The spirits are calling my name.
Okay, that's good, that's good. Don't bring the ball here. What was that? You don't need to play with code properly.
Fight for my ancestors.
You guessed, you only guessed things, okay?
I'm strong as the mountains. My aim is true. There's much to learn.
destroy their.
Peace. Strong as the mountains.
Okay, guys, that's all for the video.
Live strong
And
as the mountains.
I'm saying you Bee and Piper. It depends on the map. Okay, so meet you in another video in Addicted Gaming. Till then, tata, bye bye.